In this video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply integers that have negative signs. So in this case, they have the same sign. So we have negative 8 times negative 2. And I'll go through each step and make sure to stick around for all the steps. I'll show you some tricks to remember. So remember the following rule. Same signs equals positive product. So that means if there's a positive times a positive, it'll equal a positive. If there's a negative times a negative, it'll give you a positive. So these signs are the same. When they're the same, they'll give you a positive product. Okay? I'm just going to go through what it would like if the signs are not the same. So for different signs, we get a negative product. So the signs are not the same. We have a positive and negative, and then the answer will give you a negative. And the same is true when the signs are in this order. It doesn't matter the order, it'll give you a negative. So now we could see that we have this situation. We have two negative signs, so our answer will be positive. So we can simply multiply 8 times 2, which equals 16. Positive 8 times positive 2 gives you 16. And in this case, we have this situation. A positive times a positive gives you a positive. So just to make it easier, you could just get rid of the negative signs and calculate using the positives. So just keep in mind that doing this calculation is going to equal positive 16. And that's it. That's all there is to this lesson. And if you need extra help, just rewatch the video or take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.